As science evolves, we continue to innovate. With more than 100 years of knowledge and experience, Sempermed has grown from humble beginnings to become one of the world's largest medical and industrial glove manufacturers. Gloves are our only business. Our product assortment includes a variety of medical and non-medical grade latex, nitrile, vinyl, polyisoprene, and chloroprene disposable gloves. Our manufacturing facilities, where we sustainably produce our gloves, are some of the most sophisticated in the world. We focus on research and development of innovative hand protection products with rigorous quality control. Our gloves keep you safe, no matter the job at hand. Expertise in every phase of the manufacturing process, combined with state-of-the-art technology, results in a product you can trust. Sempermed, your global glove expert.